Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. So today's video is a beautiful makeup tutorial, and here's my beautiful client, my daughter, and of course welcome to Sabi's beauty community. If this is your first time we do anything beauty, wig making, wig styling, makeup, anything related to beauty, and of course lifestyle events. So here I'm cleaning my baby's face with these facial wipes, and then I'm going in with this toner that serves as a hydrator at the same time, and I'm going to partially dab that into her skin. Then I will apply the pond moisturizer on her face. And this moisturizer, sometimes people find it difficult to blend it into the skin, so make sure you have a bit of liquid on the skin and then you moisturize that into her skin. So as you can see, I didn't completely dab the hydrator and toner into the skin. I left a little bit of water on her face, then I went in with the pond moisturizer. This way you'll be able to blend everything smoothly into the skin without leaving any cakey mark on the face when you're trying to blend your foundation. So as you can see, it's looking very smooth now, and it's not going to take time for this moisturizer to be completely absorbed by the skin. Wow, you can see it already. I'm going in with this Zikel foundation, and then you can already see the beautiful silky shiny tone it's leaving on her face. I love Zikel products a lot, and Zikel is a true match. As you can see, I am already dabbing that into her skin, and you'll be able to tell that this is a true match because you can barely see the difference between her skin and the foundation I'm using. The only difference is that shiny tone it leaves on her skin, and this is so beautiful. Please, this is not an advert for Zikel Cosmetics, but you can equally tag them so they see the beauty of their work. Okay, so at this point, if you are not following me, please do well to follow me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. I will of course upload a video of why I have not been consistent for some time. You guys should pardon me, there have been some ups and downs, but I will of course let you all know why I have not been consistent. But for the good reason, I am back for good. All the obstacles have been cleared, and here we are back for the game. So I'm actually using this LA Pro Conceal as my highlighter, and I'm blending that into her skin. Okay, but if you don't know how to blend high concealers into your client's face or your own face, make sure you use a concealer that is similar to your skin tone or shade, so you don't have any difficulties or you don't leave mark. If you have been watching my videos, you will know that I'm a lover of smooth, neat makeup. Okay, so I will tell you that it's the beauty of the makeup lives in the consistency of you blending. The more you blend into the skin, the more beautiful, neat your makeup becomes. And here I'm using this BB cosmetic setting powder. It can also be used as a finishing powder, and I'm using that to set the places I have highlighted. And as you can see, you realize that the powder I'm using is not patched at one place. I am spreading that evenly across all the places I have highlighted, so I don't make her face so cakey and have some crack makeups. Wow, it looks so beautiful. And again, I'm using this darker shade from Issa and those cosmetic. They're also a Nigerian brand. Their products are really good, and I'm going to use that to set the entire face and even the places I have applied the BB cosmetic powder. So yeah, exactly what I'm doing. So when baking, make sure that you spread the powder evenly so your powder doesn't get packed at one place, and when you are done with the makeup it will be so obvious that this is the area you've baked. You should be able to bake and people should see and not notice a trace of baking. With that, we can now call you a professional makeup artist. So you guys, this video is quite long because I took my time to do it for you, very detailed. I didn't want to skip the process, so please get yourself a drink, popcorn, something, relax and watch this video to the end because I made it specifically for you. I'm going to leave every product I'm using in the video in the description box below, so you can as well purchase them anytime you want. And then I'm baking her face again with this powder, and I think this is the BB powder or the Issa in those. Don't worry, like I said, I will leave it in the description box below. I am baking this again. Somebody will say, am I not baking? Am I not using a lot of powders to bake? I love baking, okay, but the reason why I use a lot of powders is because I don't draw my brows, apply my eyeshadow, my lipstick and everything before I start baking. Those who draw their brows, their eyeshadow and things before baking, they tend to wipe away the powder they use for baking the moment they are done with the makeup, because they cannot wait for the powder to be completely absorbed by the skin. But I love the process. I love seeing the skin absorb the powder. So with that, I make sure that I do my foundation, highlighting and everything, and then start baking. So whilst I am baking, I'll be working on my brow, my eyeshadow and my lip. The moment I am done with everything, you realize that the powder have been totally completely absorbed and you will not even see the trace of me ever baking that place. And that is the beauty of the makeup. So at this point, I'm contouring her nose, and then I started with the darker shade from the Issa in those cosmetic palettes, but I think it wasn't giving me the snatchness I was looking for. So I went in with the foundation I used for her. That is a Zikel foundation, and then I'm actually setting the highlighted areas where I have applied the concealer earlier on her face, setting them just so that we snatch that nose. Take your time, relax and watch this video, guys. So I'm going in with a darker shade for the places I have not highlighted again. Yes, just so that they match completely with her skin and her forehead. And this is one of the places or the thing I love doing when making up a client, the eyebrow. Okay, so I am using this eyebrow gel from MAC Cosmetics, and this is the brown shade. And one thing about getting beautiful brows too is when you are done with your foundation, powder and everything before drawing your brow, it makes the brow look so natural, so neat and beautiful. Here I have not concealed the brow, but you can actually see how beautiful the brow is looking. So instead of using a gel to tame the brow down, you can equally apply foundations and powder on top, just so that it sets the brow before you apply the brow gel, and that will make your brow look so beautiful, neat and natural. Here I am concealing the eyebrow with this LA Pro Conceal again, and this is a very high shade because I want her eyebrow to pop. But on top I'm going to use a different concealer that is of a lighter shade. Yes, and of course if you don't have two concealers to use, you can equally go in with the foundation you use for hair at the top, so you don't leave any mark, any highlight there that you use a very high concealer there. So as you can see, our skin is absorbing the powder gradually, the places I have baked, but I won't speak about this. I'll wait till the end so you guys can see that I didn't even wipe off any baking powder. The skin has completely absorbed the entire thing. So here, take your time gradually and get the brow, the kind of brow you want for your clients. Take your time. Wow, look, isn't this gorgeous? This is beautiful, right? So I'm going in with this color wine from Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, and this is what I'm going to use as my eyeshadow transitioning color, or the base. So like I said, consistency, blend that, blend the eyeshadow, blend that into the skin. It makes it so neat and beautiful. Blend, 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 blend. So this is what we are going to do for the exact place. I actually wanted to do a different eyeshadow, but when I got here, I felt like, let me just try cat crease for my baby girl. So this is not a full crease, this is a cat crease. Some people have challenges using a concealer to cut the crease. So one tip is that when you're using the concealer to cut crease, make sure after you're done cutting the crease, you go in with a setting powder to set the concealer. But if you go in with the eyeshadow, it's going to make the eyeshadow patchy, messed up, not neat. So make sure you set the concealer before using it. Unlike the eyeshadow base, you don't need to set it like what I'm doing right now. I am setting the concealer with a powder, so this way we can achieve the cut crease we are looking for. But when you are using the eyeshadow primer, you realize that that one, the consistency is very, very thick, and you may not need to apply powder on it. So don't use the concealer like the way you use the eyeshadow primer. They are two different things. Just learn how to use it. So I still went in with the transitioning color at the edge of the crease, the end of the crease. That's why it's a cut crease, it's not a full crease. So the crease has been cut, has been divided into two. So I'll be using a different color shade on the other parts of the crease. So from the same eyeshadow palette, that's the Beauty Glazed, I went in with this nude color that I'm applying on her eyelids right now. I wanted a nude color, a nude look for her, but at the same time popping and catching. So after doing this, I went into the corner of her eyes with a white eyeshadow color. Wow, look at what is happening. So I'm applying the white there, just to make the eyeshadow pop. Guys, can you see that brow? Can you see how beautiful this is looking? We aren't done, guys. So a lot of people don't know how to do eyeshadow before after their foundation and baking, because they feel like a lot of the eyeshadow products mess the makeup up. So if you're not so good at cleaning those particles like I have done right now, you can just go ahead and do your eyeshadow before doing the foundation and the rest. Here I still feel like I needed this eyeshadow to pop a little, so I went in with this shimmer or glitters from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm just dabbing that on the crease I have done, but it's not covering the entire crease, it's just at the middle. And then I'll fix this lash for her, but I've forgotten the name of the lash, so I'll leave it in the description box. And this is a human lash. Wow, you just see the beauty, see the difference between where I have applied the lash and where there is no lash. It's so beautiful. Wow. Can you see how that eyeshadow is popping, guys? Oh my goodness, this makeup is actually beautiful. Beautiful. Please don't forget to leave any question for me at the comment section, and also to give me a thumbs up. I mean, encourage me, guys. Show me some love. Okay, show me some love for taking time to create this detailed video for you guys. Oh my gosh, before I forget, guys, can you see that the baking powder have been completely absorbed? It has been absorbed by the skin. Wow, can you guys see that? This is the beauty of it, without leaving any trace. So you don't have to even wipe anything off. Of course, you didn't see me wiping that off, not at all. So the lip paint I'm using here is from the Blossom lip palette. Yes, I think Blossom. Yeah, everything will be at the description box, guys, so you can reach out to them if you want to. But in case you're unable to get some of them, especially the Issa and those cosmetics, you can reach out to me on my social media pages. That's on IG Sabis_beauty community, and on TikTok Sabis_beauty community, and then I'll help you get this. I'll help you get the product, guys. So you guys should just wait. So I'm going to wear a wig for her. The wig is actually a closure wig, but we are going to fix it like frontal, and you guys will see how my baby girl would change, will look so different. Wow, isn't this makeup neat? I have not applied any finishing powder or anything yet. No glow, no blush, nothing, but she's popping already, guys. Oh my goodness, this is the beauty of blending. Keep blending till you get it. Can you see my baby? See my daughter? Look at this is a closure that have been fixed like frontal. This is a 4x4 closure. Wow, isn't she looking beautiful? Oh my goodness, makeup like skin, guys. Take a look again. Look at it. Look at the eyeshadow. Look at the lips, guy. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Oh my goodness, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. And of course, I did, wow, look at the eyeshadow. I did a snap video. I decided to insert it here so you guys can just watch the beauty of the makeup. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again, I love you. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you. Bye.